This is where you gotta be careful. You got water lines here. So to be on the safe side, you're gonna cut down the middle. See how much dust is in here when that machine's not on? We'll get it back up and running real quick. Let me get you out of the way. She's taking. Let's get this dust out of here so you guys can see how good this machine really is. Give me a second. Hey, what are you doing? Now you guys are going to see for yourself how good this machine, how good it really is. This is going to be clear in like 3 minutes. There it goes. I knew that was going to happen.
Welcome back, guys, to the channel. So we made a little progress. I didn't press record last time. I thought I did, but we all make mistakes. So we got some of the sheetrock done. The electrician came, did a wonderful job with the electric. So these are the pigtails coming out of the electrical boxes, 1900s, for the LED panel lighting. So we put all the wires up in the joists, so we have full network capability, access points. We've got speakers. I love my music, makes me work better. We changed a little things, so we actually put insulation in the ceiling now, which wasn't before. This is the sheetrock right now. It's a little rough over here because this was a huge gap, so we had to fill it with plaster first and then make a butt seam. This is going to be an exhaust vent. We're going to fix all of this because there was it's an old building, so we can expect, things that weren't the same as we do it now when they built this building. So the ceiling's not 100% level, but right now we need to maximize height and space. So we leveled it out the best that we could without losing too much space. We got the closet built. Sorry about the light. We got the closet built right there. This was the old way they used to build it before. They used to use metal sheeting, and they would plaster that, and they would actually build sheetrock on the site. It wasn't shipped in or, buying it from your local hardware or lumber store now. So all the electric is in. This is going to be changed to a motion switch right now. We're just using this temporarily. We're going to box out the pipe because the pipe can go all the way up to the ceiling now, like this. So we can actually bring it all up to the ceiling. We're going to box it all out, make it look really nice. We're going to try to make it symmetrical. So we're going to add a box right here. We're going to add a box over there. We're going to put a box over here. So therefore, it looks symmetrical. I apologize for the light, but we really don't have any light down here right now. But this is the workshop. Well, soon to be a workshop. I got my wind filtration system. I can't say enough good things about this, guys, if you're looking for one. I'm not sponsored, like I said, in any way by this company. I just really like it when a company puts a lot of thought and a lot of design into a product that they release. This thing has just been wonderful. So thank you, Win, for building such a quality product. So I'm going to get back to work. I'll bring you guys along. And hopefully we can get this up and running in the next couple of days. So far we've been on it for about 2 days. And this is how far we came. Everything else is just moving along. We got the wires up there. Everything is pre-drilled. I don't like drilling too many holes in studs, so I like drilling one hole to fit all the wires. And this is it. We're going to get it rocked. Alright, guys. So what we're going to do right now is start finishing the sheetrock. So we already cut a piece, which is right here. We're going to rasp it a little bit. Not a lot, just a little bit. Just to get the seams up right. Alright, where'd I put my little guy? So anytime you're doing sheetrock, you really want to try at all costs to butt factory to factory and put the cut on the outside, meeting another wall. That way the seams match up. When you tape it, it becomes very nice. Alright, let's hope this fits. Like a glove. Bellissimo. Beautiful. Nice and tight. Fits just like a glove. So once we tape this factory edge is going to give us a really nice tape line. And I already know where all the beams or rafters are because I got the existing sheetrock already up. And a board this size, under 20 inches, 3 screws is more than sufficient to hold this rock where we need to hold it. Missed that one. A little off here. It's got a big bow in it right there, which I'm not really happy with. It's a huge gap. You know, this is an old building, so all the cross beams, they're not 100% level. Building shifts after a long time, so everything becomes uneven. It's a workshop, so for us to, you know, start leveling out all the beams, we're losing space. We already only have about 7 feet. If we drop this to level it, we're going to have about 6.5 feet, maybe 6. So I'm 6'2". So we got to keep as much height as we can. We can fix this. That's not so hard to fix. Doesn't look all that bad. Yeah, this is a really big bow. So let's change this. I'm not really happy with this. This is